DeepSeek R1 has emerged as a groundbreaking AI model that has quickly become a competitor to top-tier offerings like OpenAI's ChatGPT. DeepSeek R1 is a revolutionary AI model released by a Chinese startup that has gained significant recognition for its competitive performance against American counterparts like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Developed with a total cost of not more than $6 million, this model has demonstrated impressive capabilities in various AI tasks, including reasoning and problem-solving, which have captivated both developers and investors alike. One of the most striking aspects of DeepSeek R1 is its remarkable cost efficiency. While training OpenAI's ChatGPT is estimated to cost upwards of $500 million, DeepSeek developed R1 in a fraction of that amount by utilizing innovative techniques and less powerful hardware, specifically NVIDIA's H800 GPUs. This contrasts sharply with the traditional belief that high-performing AI models require massive financial and computational resources. The effective use of a mixture of expert system allows DeepSeek R1 to activate only a subset of its 671 billion parameters at any time, optimizing performance while minimizing costs. Performance benchmarking has shown that DeepSeek R1 holds its own against ChatGPT across various metrics. R1 is nearly on par with OpenAI's models on the Artificial Analysis Quality Index and has even outperformed ChatGPT in specific tasks, such as logical reasoning, where it achieved 92% accuracy compared to ChatGPT's 78%. Furthermore, DeepSeek's unique ability to perform exceptionally well on less powerful hardware challenges the assumption held by many American firms that only top-tier GPUs can yield leading AI models. The emergence of DeepSeek R1 has caused significant ripples in the financial markets, with American tech stocks plummeting due to concerns over competition from this new contender. Major companies, such as NVIDIA and OpenAI, saw substantial declines in their market value as investors reassessed the profitability and competitive edge of their current offerings. This shakeup has raised questions about the sustainability of U.S. dominance in AI, prompting discussions about a potential shift in technological leadership toward China. DeepSeek R1 represents a pivotal moment in AI technology, showcasing that high-performance models can be developed at a lower cost while maintaining competitive capabilities. The implications for the industry are profound, as this model democratizes AI access for developers and smaller firms, potentially leading to an explosion of innovation in the sector. As the AI race intensifies, it will be crucial for established players to rethink their strategies and adapt to the new dynamics introduced by DeepSeek R1. The competition is far from over, and how companies respond to this challenge will shape the future of AI development. As the world closely monitors the unfolding legal battle, another layer of complexity has emerged involving China's role in the development of DeepSeek R1. Allegations have surfaced that China may have been less than transparent about its involvement and the origins of DeepSeek's technology. According to multiple sources, there are claims that China has been strategically positioning itself within the AI race by quietly backing DeepSeek, providing not only financial support, but also access to advanced technologies that may have circumvented international sanctions. Some experts believe that the acquisition of NVIDIA H100 chips, crucial for DeepSeek R1's high performance, was facilitated through alternative markets in regions like Singapore, raising questions about the legality and ethics of such maneuvers. These revelations have sparked a wave of controversy and debate, with many questioning the true extent of China's influence in the AI sector and its implications for global tech competition. The emerging geopolitical tensions could have far-reaching consequences, potentially reshaping alliances and regulatory frameworks in the tech industry. the situation remains fluid, and as more information comes to light, the narrative around DeepSeek R1 continues to evolve. What is clear, however, is that this story is far from over, and the stakes are higher than ever. Let's delve deeper into the intricate web of international intrigue and technological advancement surrounding DeepSeek R1. In a dramatic turn of events, OpenAI think that DeepSeek has been copying their proprietary technology. It seems like several key components of DeepSeek R1's architecture bear striking similarities to those of ChatGPT. Microsoft have some clues about this. This could spark a legal battle if OpenAI claim and proves DeepSeek's infringement on their intellectual property. The outcome could lead to a dispute with significant implications for the AI industry, potentially reshaping the competitive landscape and influencing future innovation. The stakes are high, and the entire tech world is watching closely. The chip implemented in DeepSeek's technology may possess greater capabilities than officially reported. A pertinent inquiry arises regarding how DeepSeek successfully acquired the NVIDIA H100 chips integral to their system, avoiding the impact of sanctions. It appears they may have navigated around these restrictions by sourcing the chips from alternative third-party markets, such as Singapore. DeepSeek has employed distillation techniques to enhance its model training processes, reflecting a trend in the AI industry where smaller models are developed to replicate the capabilities of larger, more complex ones. This technique involves using a teacher model, often one that is more powerful, to train a student model, enabling it to learn from the outputs generated by the teacher. In the case of DeepSeek, the use of distillation has raised concerns regarding the potential use of OpenAI's technology, as the student model may have leveraged outputs from OpenAI's models, particularly through APIs designed for developers to access OpenAI's capabilities. DeepSeek's approach to model training using distillation is significant as it allows for the development of models that maintain high performance levels while being computationally efficient. This method has enabled DeepSeek to create models that are capable of mimicking the instructive capabilities of larger language models like OpenAI's. The efficiency gained through distillation means that DeepSeek can offer models that require significantly fewer resources, thus providing an economically viable alternative to comparable models from established companies like OpenAI. Distillation in DeepSeek's training raises intellectual property concerns. The allegations against DeepSeek center around the potential infringing use of OpenAI's proprietary data and models for distillation purposes, which may constitute intellectual property violations. Intellectual property considerations in this context include more than just a copyright. OpenAI's models and their outputs are protected under copyright law. If DeepSeek has used these outputs to train its models without permission, this could be deemed a violation of intellectual property rights. What to uncover about terms of service violations? OpenAI's policies explicitly prohibit the use of its APIs or outputs to develop competing models. If DeepSeek's methods involved circumventing these terms, this would represent a breach of contract. What about trade secrets? The methodologies and algorithms used in OpenAI's models may also qualify as trade secrets, providing a legal framework through which OpenAI could take action against DeepSeek for using these processes without consent.
Given these concerns, OpenAI has several courses of action it could take to address the situation. Is there any investigation or any evidence gathering going on? OpenAI may currently conducting an investigation into DeepSeek's practices to determine the extent of any misuse of its models. This includes examining API usage patterns and outcomes generated that may suggest unauthorized model training practices. What about taking legal action? OpenAI can initiate legal proceedings against DeepSeek for copyright infringement, breach of terms of service, and potentially seek damages related to intellectual property theft. This could involve filing lawsuits that lead to injunctions against DeepSeek's practices, potentially halting their model development. From an open source perspective, it is improbable that OpenAI will take any legal action against DeepSeek. This situation mirrors that of OpenAI, which is currently navigating several copyright-related challenges due to its use of global datasets to train its models. The irony lies in the fact that if OpenAI is no longer so open without an open-source approach, unlike complex weaponry, software can be relatively straightforward to replicate, highlighting the urgency of transparency in the development process. Opening the source code could yield considerable advantages for OpenAI by cultivating loyalty among users who might otherwise consider alternatives like DeepSeek. By adopting an open source approach, OpenAI has the potential to foster collaboration and stimulate innovation, while also addressing critical issues such as copyright and the use of proprietary data. Transitioning to an open source model provides OpenAI with a unique opportunity to enhance user trust and engage more effectively with the broader community of developers and researchers. This shift is likely to facilitate significant contributions to the field, resulting in innovative ideas and solutions that may not emerge within a closed environment. Nevertheless, a persistent challenge exists. How can OpenAI could ensure that an open source strategy would adequately navigate ethical considerations? It is essential to strike a balance between transparency and oversight while safeguarding AI against potential misuse. Achieving this balance is pivotal to upholding ethical care standards and promoting greater participation in AI development. What about putting innovation first while enhanced protection measures? OpenAI can strengthen its API access protocols to mitigate unauthorized access. This might include tighter restrictions and better monitoring of usage patterns that suggest potential misuse. Maybe OpenAI can also collaborate with regulatory agencies. OpenAI may that way engage with government bodies to address broader issues of intellectual property rights within the rapidly evolving AI landscape, advocating for clearer regulations around model training and data usage. In conclusion, while DeepSeek's advancements through Distillation presents innovative strides in AI efficiency, they also raise significant legal and ethical questions regarding intellectual property rights connected to OpenAI. OpenAI's ability to navigate these issues will likely influence future practices and policies within the AI community, emphasizing the importance of protecting proprietary technologies in a competitive market where big tech are in an endless F1 race for the AI global dominance.
For more insights on the impact of DeepSeek R1 and its implications for the AI landscape, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for further updates on this groundbreaking AI technology. Thank you for watching. This is KIMLUD Media.